Welcome to today's session, guys, on Toned Caribbean Body. My name is Marlene, and today we continue to shine the spotlight on this superfood called avocados. Now, we've shared with you so many recipes over the past couple weeks, but today we want to share with you how to make avocado seed powder. Now, avocados are, of course, termed a superfood, and I think it's one of the most popular superfoods there are. But did you know that aside from eating the avocado flesh, you can also use that big seed that takes up the entire middle, well, almost the entire middle of the avocado? Yes, and surprisingly, it has a whole heap of nutritional benefits, not just for the outside, but also for the inside. So don't go anywhere, guys. We have so much to share with you today. By the way, if you have not yet liked and subscribed to not just this video, but any of our other videos, this is an invitation for you to do so. Just click on the subscription button and press the notification bell so that you're alerted of our future updates. So here are some uses of the avocado seed powder. It can be used in a lot of our sauces, in our smoothies as a smoothie enhancer. As a tea, it's very popular. It can also help to soothe an aching tooth, as well as ease itchy skin. It also makes a perfect face mask, as well as a hair conditioner. Now, research has shown that avocado seeds make up more than 18% of the delicious, creamy avocado fruit, and are usually tossed aside. And I have been doing that for the past how many years I've been eating avocados, not knowing that I can use the avocado seeds as well. So it's pretty easy to get the avocado seed from the avocado flesh. Just simply peel the avocado as you normally would when you're going to eat, and after you're finished consuming the fleshy part of the avocado, then the seed will be quite apparent. Now, these seeds have been found to contain more than 70% of the antioxidant content in each avocado, making it an excellent source of nutrition with multiple health benefits. So after you finish dislodging the seed from the flesh, just simply wash the exterior from any flesh that might still be on it, and just start by simply peeling off the outer part of the seed. I never even knew this could be removed. Imagine that, you learn something every day. If the skin becomes dry, just simply wet it again so that it makes it easier for the outer part to be removed. The outer skin that you remove can now be added to your garden compost that will help to fertilize your fresh produce. So after removing the outer layer from each seed, now it's time to grate the avocado seeds. I found that grating breaks it down a whole lot faster, making it easier for the drying process. You can use the larger side of the grater or the smaller side. I started off with the smaller side and recognized, hey, I'm wasting time, and I just moved on to using the larger side. So if you're not a fan of using a kitchen grater, then a food processor will be the next best thing that you can use to break those seeds down to a finer consistency. The food processor, of course, will go a whole lot faster, but given that it's the first time I'm making the powder, I wanted to actually feel the entire process rather than introducing an equipment into the process. So as you can see, I've grated all the seeds, and the amazing thing about the avocado is, if you've noticed, that they get dark really quickly, and it's the same thing with the seeds. Oxidation attracts. Avocado seeds attract oxidation, and you can literally watch the color change right before your eyes. And at the end of the process, this was the color, even though I started off with very white seeds. Now we're all done with the grating part of the process. This reminds me of sweet potatoes. When we made sweet potato flour, yeah, that's what it reminds me of. So now it's time for the drying process. Just simply lay your avocado seed chips on the dehydrator tray, and just as when we were making our sweet potato flour and cassava flours, etc., lay them out really nicely so that they're evenly spaced for the drying process. It takes about 5 hours to dry this in the dehydrator, or you can use your kitchen oven or even the sunlight if you're lucky to get some sun. And after the drying process, it's now time for the second to last stage, which is the grinding part. In this stage, you use your kitchen blender, your food processor, or coffee grinder, anything that will perform the function. And the last part of the process is sifting or sieving, just simply separating those larger particles from the smaller particles, giving you a nice fine consistency seed powder. Of course, you know, the longer you grind, the finer the consistency will be, and any larger particles that remain, you can always grind them again. And at the end of the grinding stage, this is the end result. We started off with 10 seeds and it gave us half a pound of the avocado seed powder. My God, I'm so excited. Now guys, can you guess what I'm going to be using this powder for? Yes, my signature face masks. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.